All right, let's take this car down. Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. Well, this is the MT8 Pirates 2. It's an RC car with a brushless motor. It actually comes, get this, not only do you get a really good remote, for the price, they include a 3S LiPo battery. How many companies do that? Well, you probably count them on one hand or less. Even the big names don't do that because batteries are very expensive, especially if they're LiPo. So what I'm going to do today is I have a little GPS on top. I'm just going to do some speed runs. I have my very own 2S battery here. It's a LiPo. It's a lot less quality than the 3S battery that's included, but a lot of people like to drive these cars on the 2S because they're more controllable. As soon as you put a 3S in it, well then now you're going crazy and having a lot of fun. So I'm going to try with a 2S and then a 3S in this nice big parking lot. Here we go. All right, first thing we do, let's take off the body. Here's our brushless motor. You can see the bottom of this car is all aluminum CNC metal construction. Very, very nice. First up, let's take my 2S battery and see what speeds we get. Turn on our remote, connect the battery, power on the car. This is all waterproof components. There we go. The fan starts up. And if I show you the controller here, I should have ability to turn the steering. Very nice. All right, with a 2S battery, it should be pretty relaxed controlling this. Let's try it at slow speeds. Oh, look at that. I could almost go crawler speed. Very nice. Nice turning. Nice tight corners. That looks pretty good. Try the other way. Steering's good. Pick up the speed a little bit. Pick it up the speed a bit. Pick it up speed a bit. So here's on a 2S. Let me just drive it around and get used to it. That's not bad. That's definitely usable speed. Look at this. This is a 2S battery. Let's try the brakes. Brakes are perfect. There we go. I don't know if you can see this. GPS is at 0. Let's go. Do some speed runs here. With a 2S battery, it's not going to roll over. You can go full speed. There we go. Going down. Very easy to control. It stays very straight, which is good. Let me get it on the yellow line here. Try it. There we go. Keep it nice and straight. Whoa! All right, smashed into my camera there. Let's put this back. Let's see what our top speed was. Can you see this? The GPS is showing 26 kilometers top speed with a 2S battery. All right, let's put a 3S battery in that. This is the included 3S battery that I'm gonna stick in. So when you buy this car, you get this battery with it. There we go. All right, 3S battery in here. Let's see what it does. Whoa! That's like night and day. Look at this thing go. And look at the brakes on it. Woohoo! Okay, so this is the battery that comes with it, and it is a heck of a lot of fun because it's got a lot of power. Whoa! Here we go, speed run. Let me get it down. Down there, and here we go, full blast. Coming back to me. Nice. Top speed is showing 41 kilometers per hour. That's what I get with this little GPS. All right, so I'm really impressed with this car. The 2S is really good for beginners, or if you're on a track with tight corners and you don't want to go too crazy and have it flip all over the place, use a 2S battery. 3S is great for out here on the pavement if you're doing speed runs or racing with other people, or in big sand dunes. You're going to have a lot of fun with jumps and everything on a 3S. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this to another field where there's a lot of ice and snow and water and mud and everything, and I'm just going to run it through really fast. Here we go. And now I'm at a nice big field with snow, ice, water, mud, gravel, sand, and I've got my MT8 Pirates 2 down here. Just a quick correction to something I might have said already. This is actually a 4-channel remote. I said it was a 3-channel, I think. It's a 4-channel, which is very rare to get a 4-channel remote control with an RC car. Normally they're 2 channels. All right, let's take this car down. This thing has no problem driving over rough terrain, snow, ice, anything. Those tires are awesome. Look at that. Look at the field is full of water. I got snow, bouncy. This is a 1/8 scale, so it can drive over pretty much anything. And the range on here is pretty darn decent. Wow, so the MT8 Pirates 2 is a pretty awesome little RC truck. I'm quite impressed. It works really well. And the price is awesome. Like I say, you get the 3S battery with it. So all in all, really good truck for the price. Check out the links below. It's from Banggood. It's not new. It's been out for a while. I think the price is reduced. That's why they sent it to me, because they're just trying to sell these things. It is hobby grade, and you can get parts. You can get the parts from either ZD Racing or Banggood. So yeah, so if you break it, you can just replace certain things. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about this car, post them below. I'll answer them as best I can. And all I can say is check the links, see if it's for you. And for now, I'm going to go get warm because I have a soaker from walking in the water, and catch you in the next video with more reviews of either cars, drones, airplanes, whatever. Take care. See you then. And now a super quick unboxing of this monster truck. First thing in the box would be the instructions plus a few extras at the bottom. Instruction manual for your remote control. 3S battery charger included. Here's the included radio. I've used one of these before. They're really good. This is a ZD Racing 2.4 gigahertz. Standard radio with proportional steering here. Your acceleration there. Your brakes and reverse here. Trim controls right here. Next we have the 1/8 scale monster truck. It's so large it barely fits into my camera right here. Let me pick it up and show it to you closely. So here's the side view. I've got the battery and some other stuff sticking out. There you can see the tires and the shocks and the front, and if I flip it over, you can see that aluminum alloy bottom, all nice and metal. Let me take off the top and show you the inside. There we have the interior. Let me pick this up and show you everything nice and close. So there's your brushless motor, very nicely done. Your ESC right there. Bring that up with a fan on top for cooling in the hot summer days. Your included 3S battery, metal shock towers, and your actual shock suspension, nice and metal right there. You can see the steering linkage right on either side. On-off switches right here. Everything is waterproof. It is four-wheel drive, so you have your forward axle here and your rear axle back there. Here's a look at the massive wheels. Here's the included battery. You can see I've written on it's a 3S 3000 milliamp battery at 35C. In the front, you can see the steering servo right here coming out of this portion of the box. That's your receiver to receive the signal. All parts are replaceable and available on the ZD Racing as well as the Banggood website if you need parts for this car. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we are at the end of my review of this here car. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions, post them below and I will get back to you. The links to the Banggood website where you can find this car are down below. Check it out. Not super expensive. You get a lot. Nice that they included the battery. And with that said, thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next review.